Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Dramatic scenes and near-death experiences were the order of the day in St. Mary 24 hours after the parish was pounded by heavy rain. Kelisha Williams has the details.
No problem. Watch it.
It was like the scene from a high-drama action movie. This is the moment our videographer saved this interviewee, Aaron McCain, from serious injuries. The driver of the truck, visibly angry, proceeded to inspect the red motor car.
What really happened?
No, I come and him turn up the side, I can't go through. That's it. I can't go through. And the roller did so. I can't lick the roller. Alright, I have to come out by the road to lick him down.
He was coming on speed and I was here already. And I tried to give him signal to slow down. And he didn't slow down with the same speed. He come and hit me.
Man, couldn't stop. You can't stop. I slide the truck, I slide.
Yeah, I roll, I'm going to lick up in here now. Yeah, I'm going to bigger unit fast. Time man can't lick up in that.
When I was here already, from all the way from there.
Ironically, this is the same issue Aaron McCain was speaking about before the crash. Due to a massive pileup of debris along the Broadgate main road in St. Mary after yesterday's heavy rain, driving on the road has become hazardous and drivers have been impatient.
No traffic couldn't pass and the whole place they flood off with the water and the tree head and coming down, the vehicle them are come down. Always stop them to stop. Some of them don't want to stop. They want just work through at all time.
But while it appears that some motorists threw caution to the wind along the Broadgate main road, at the Baxter's Mountain Primary School, the students and staff were not taking any chances with the forces of nature. Scores of students were trapped at school for over 7 hours as they wait for the flood waters to recede at this ford.
In the afternoon, there about 12 o'clock, we realized that the rain was continuing, and so we decided to end school early, as we usually do, because there's a threat of the fording coming over. We called the taxis in, but by the time the taxis got here and they were loaded to leave, by the time they got to the fording, it was already overflowed. It was already too late.
And so the students had to remain at school until minutes after 8 o'clock Wednesday night. This is where many of them were huddled up for hours. Principal of the school, Shireen Harris, says safety was her first priority.
We had to make dinner and everything and to reassure the parents that the children were safe. And we were waiting on the go-ahead from community members and some parents who were at the fording to tell us when it was safe for us to leave.
And this is an ongoing issue in the community. We were told that the bridge that was erected here decades ago fell into disrepair over the years and finally collapsed during Hurricane Beryl.
Reports were made to NWA to come and take it up, But I don't know, I don't see anyone, it is still there. And because of that now, the debris come down, so you find out, say it bank up against the bridge. And it costs all of what is happening down there. So persons from the community now will go down to clear the culvert underneath before it can run freely.
Well, we have been asking for a bridge because the bridge that was there to allow free flow of transportation in and out of the community, that bridge deteriorated over time and it broke down. It's now fallen into the river. We have been trying to reach the relevant authorities to get a bridge because that's the only thing that will fix this problem, is that we need a bridge. We are in desperate need of a bridge for this community and the school.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.